Adobe Lightroom PC, Lightroom PC? Download APK Lightroom for PC. Adobe Lightroom is a powerful photo editing and management software designed for both amateur and professional photographers. Here's an overview of its features, known issues, fixes, pro tips, and alternatives. Features. 1. Non-destructive editing. Lightroom allows you to make edits to your photos without altering the original file, preserving the quality. 2. Organization. It offers robust cataloging and organizing features, including keyword tagging, star ratings, and color labels. 3. Editing tools. Lightroom provides a wide range of editing tools such as exposure, color, and contrast adjustments, as well as advanced features like gradient filters and spot removal. 4. Presets and profiles. Users can apply presets and profiles to quickly achieve certain looks or styles. 5. Syncing and integration. Lightroom can sync edits and collections across devices and integrate seamlessly with Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Creative Cloud. 6. Raw editing. It supports editing raw image files from a variety of camera manufacturers. 7. Lens correction. Lightroom includes lens profiles for automatic correction of lens distortion, chromatic aberration, and vignetting. 8. Export options. Users can export images in various formats and resolutions for web, print, or social media. Cons. 1. Subscription model. Lightroom is available only through Adobe subscription model, which may be costly for some users. 2. Performance. It can be resource intensive, especially when working with large catalogs or performing complex edits. 3. Limited Photoshop integration. While Lightroom integrates well with Photoshop, some users may find the transition between the two programs cumbersome. 4. Learning curve. Mastering all the features and workflows of Lightroom can take time and effort. Known issues and fixes. 1. Performance. To improve performance, consider optimizing your catalog, purging unnecessary files, and upgrading your hardware if possible. 2. Syncing issues. If you encounter syncing issues, ensure that your Adobe Creative Cloud account is active and try signing out and back in. 3. Catalog corruption. Regularly back up your Lightroom catalog to prevent data loss in case of catalog corruption. Pro tips. 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Learn and utilize keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. 2. Create virtual copies. Experiment with different edits by creating virtual copies of your photos without duplicating files. 3. Master presets. Create and save your own presets to apply consistent edits across multiple photos. 4. Utilize collections. Organize your photos into collections for easier management and access. 5. Learn basic masking. Understanding masking techniques can help you apply edits selectively to specific areas of your photos. Alternatives. 1. Capture One, known for its excellent raw processing capabilities and customizable workflows. 2. DxO Photo Lab, offers advanced noise reduction and lens correction features. 3. Affinity Photo, a powerful Photoshop alternative with a one-time purchase model. 4. Darktable, a free, open-source alternative with similar features to Lightroom. 5. On One Photo Raw, combines photo organization, editing, and effects in one application. Each alternative has its own set of features and workflows, so it's worth experimenting to find the one that best fits your needs and preferences.